Alright, I've done a bunch of research online and I can't find any video telling me how to take this cover off of the primary clutch on a 26 or 25 Arctic Cat Catalyst to install a clutch kit. So I am going to figure it out and show you. 10mm, loosen up these bolts here. Two hands. You don't have to hold it. Okay. I definitely don't know what I'm doing, so we're learning. You definitely have to take these out. Okay, one left. It comes out just like that. Should be fairly easy to get the pieces out. Now we can get to the weights, just like that.